suppliers. So this is what we call it, offset. So during October, P company sells stations to 200 F company, and F company delivers flowers and plants to P company worth 70. P company has the following amounts in its books: receivable 200, payable 70. So what they should do ideally, they have these two accounts are under one company's books. Remember this. Books of P company. You have receivable and then payable. Now, for the sake of understanding, we will assume. For the sake of understanding, we will assume it's only one customer and one supplier. In that case, receivable from which company is that? F company, right? F company. So receivable F company, payable also F company. Receivable how much? Brought forward 200. Payable how much? Brought forward 70. Now, in order to finalize and settle the accounts, what you need to do, you should offset. How much offset? Now here, credit forward will be how much? 130. Is that it? Illustration number, page number, brother. This is 243, yeah? Illustration 1. You can share. Clear? Can I go to the next question? Just go through this. P company is a printing company which sells stationery to F company. Florist. Florist is selling flowers, pot flowers and so on. F company supplies P company with flowers. So poor people flower not halal. So and plants for it, so flowers and plants for they are like we need to keep in our office. During October, P company sells stationery to 200 to F company. So invoice value of P company for stationery $200 to F company, and then F company delivers flowers and plants to P company worth 70. Now they have shown here the polish. Now they have shown here 200 receivable from F company and 70 payable also to F company. So question is, how will you settle this? If you remember in the last class we studied something called offset. When a supplier is a customer and a customer is a supplier, you just deduct the small, the lowest amount, and the big difference you pay or receive. Now here I need to receive or pay. What must I do?
Receive.
I should receive how much? 100. That's exactly what I did here. See, 200 receivable, 70 payable, then offset. Remember, offset in the both the accounts same amount. So here 0 after the offset, here 130. If you want to do it this in a statement basis,
what do you mean by net off? Netting off.
Netting off meaning deducting. The gross amount I need to receive from you 1000. I need to pay you 200. That amount is 800.
So you need to say like calculating
Deduct. Netting means deduct. So receivable 200, payable 70. So I would write here net receivable 100. Clear? Let's go to the next question. We talked about discounts, right? Now, what was the invoice value? Or the not invoice value, gross sale price? 12,000. And the negotiation, based on negotiation, they agreed for a trade discount of 2,000. So how much should be the invoice value? 10,000. And the invoice they have made it on which date? 1 January 2017. And they have given a condition: if you settle within the next 10 days, you are, is that 10 days? Yeah. You are entitled for a 10% settlement discount. And when the customer is paying 4th of January. 4th of January is within 10 days.
Yes.
So can we do the calculation?
Discount around.
So gross sale value 12,000. Trade discount.
Please write the upper page number
Okay, here or here?
246. I lost one.
Meaning
Okay, this 234. The
243. 243. Correct?
243.
Yeah.
Next one 246.
Okay. So 12,000 minus
27.
2,000. So then the invoice value. Cash discount
7.
This is the net cash. This is. Now can you think about the double entry now? This is just like a statement. We need to think the double entry. Debit, trade,
Data 10,000.
receivable or data, whatever it is. How much?
10,000.
10,000. Credit, sales. How much?
10,000.
10,000. So this is entry number 1. Entry number 2. Discount, sorry, debit,
1,000.
discount
1,000.
allowed. How much?
2,7.
1,000. Credit, where?
Trade receiver.
Trade, entry number 3, we receive cash. Debit, cash how much?
9,000.
9,000. Credit, where to credit?
Cash
We,
account. Receive, no?
we receive from whom?
Trade receiver.
So we should credit to
Mr. Mohammed, can you explain this credit receivable 1,000?
Habibi. You understood this? You understood how I calculated that 1,000? Paham Malala.
You make, I know our goods is 10,000. After that, you make just 10,000 into 10%.
Yes, because they say, if you read the question, a trade discount of 2,000 was available with a further 10% settlement discount if they put a condition. What you call only condition?
Sure.
Shart. Condition is if payment was made within 10 days. The business expected the customer to take up the discount. Record the initial sale. Then what they say, on January 4th January 2017, the customer pays for the goods taking advantage of the settlement discount. Yani bir ala now this is 1st January. I should pay on or before 10th of January. But the customer is paying on the 4th January. So who we are the faida balama? Entitled. So other come 10% to month minimum. 10% of 10% of this.
Yes.
Correct? So 10,000 into 10% on 1,000. Now you understood the calculation first. Clear. Now next point is double entry. After understanding the calculation, we said that when we talk about discount, there are two types of discount. One is trade discount, the other one is cash discount. Trade discount we don't record in our double entry. We don't take that into books of accounts. That is double before. Like in cash discount, we have to do it through our double entry. We should consider that as an income or an expense. Now, trade discount is what? Expense or when you talk about trade discount, there are two categories: discount allowed and discount received. Here, this is discount allowed or received. Discount allowed. Discount allowed is an expense or income for you. It's an expense for you. So when this is an expense, so I should consider that as an expense item in my profit and loss account. So for me to have anything an expense item in the profit and loss account, that should be a debit item. Clear? So that's why
Why not here? Why not put the entry for this?
for P&L,
For this 2,000.
yeah, you will not pass any entry for that 2,000. 2,000 happening, brother, before the you legally recognizing how much is the sales. Now you can tell me this mobile 5,000, 10,000, 20,000, no problem, I'm pushing. Like in customer and supplier after negotiation, how much the supplier is issuing invoice. The invoice bottom line amount is the legal amount, am I right?
Yeah.
For that only you start the double entry. Before, prior to that, you don't need any double entry. It's only a memorandum information that we have. It's actually sort of a, this one is sort of a motivational point.
Sorry?
It is the giving trade discount is a motivational point. Just to keep the customer happy. Customer coming, negotiating, then not to disappoint him. Okay, I'll give you 200 riyal. Now this.
So come here. If come here, we will mistake maybe and put double entry.
No, that's what I'm telling you. No, you must understand that very clear.
Okay.
Any word, trade discount, no double entry, golden rule.
For discount.
Trade discount.
Trade discount.
Don't say it's for discount. Then
No.
cash discount also come in, brother.
Trade discount.
Like in cash discount, double entry you need to have double entry. For how much? Good. So now we will see how we do this in T accounts. We have done the calculation, we have done the double entry, now we will also see the ledgers. Now, what is my sales? How much?
10,000.
10,000. So, here, sales. Here, trade. Receivable.
Here ما في دريد مسوي.
يعني ما في ليجر.
ليش؟
Stop.
This one.
Receivable account.
Balance sheet.
Within bracket they put balance sheet account, that receivable account, RCLA, receivable account. Whoever somebody short, they made it short. You should study pharmacy course, Pharmacist, when the doctor writing, you and me cannot read. Like in upper Dahar pharmacy, woman.
Another fee like this.
Yes. Anyway, so don't worry about the answer in the book. You follow the answer what I am giving also. So trade receivables, you debit 10,000, credit to sales 10,000. Now I am offering a discount allowed 1,000, and then I am receiving cash how much?
No.
This is Palas. Now we open trade discount, discount allowed. Coming from trade receivable 1,000, and this I will transfer to as an expense, and we will balance this now, and this will also go to clear? So these are the complete answer for this question. Okay, let's try this one. And then we open it.